Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today we will tell our similarities and different work cultures between Indonesia with our dream country. And let me introduce our group. We are from group 4. Hi, I'm Ricky Febrian. And now I'm gonna start first. My dream country to work in is Singapore. There are some differences and similarities between the work culture with Indonesia. Even though there are differences, it doesn't make me discourage the intention because I want to get experience working there. First, the similarities are work schedule between Indonesia and Singapore is the same from Monday to Friday. Second, every time meeting with clients, both shake hands before the meeting and after the meeting. Third, in Indonesia and Singapore, both really appreciate their superiors. The difference in the work culture of Singapore and Indonesia are very unique. First, in Singapore, they really value the time at work because time is money, while in Indonesia it's the other way around. Second, in Indonesia, many companies hold meeting more casually, while in Singapore, they will be very formal. Third, in Indonesia, if you are going to hold a meeting, you must hold it for 1 hour and or 30 minutes in advance, while in Singapore, you can meet at any time as long as it is working hours. Fourth, the pace of work in Indonesia is quite slow and very different from fast pace from Singapore.
Hello guys, my name is Michael Panaputra and I want to tell you about similarities and differences in work culture between Indonesia and Japan. Japanese and Indonesia people have some differences and similarities in work culture. The similarities start from working hours. Japanese people is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. even to overtime. Most Indonesians are very happy to build friendship with coworkers and strengthen relationship, just like Japanese people strengthen relationship between coworkers. There are differences between Japanese and Indonesian people in work culture. In terms of work, Japanese people are very used to going criticism if something goes wrong in their work to their coworkers. But Indonesians prefer not to criticize and stay silent because they protect their pride as workers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Enfu Gunardi. My dream country is United States, and I am going to tell you similarities and differences in work culture between Indonesia and America. My dream country to work in is United States. There are some differences and similarities between the work culture with Indonesia. Indonesia and the United States are indeed two very different countries. Indonesia use mixed economies and the United States use economics, which is very thick with its capitalist ideology. Indonesia and America can be said to be more or less the same. The similarities between the work culture of the United States and Indonesia in terms of working time are quite a lot, such as working from Monday to Saturday. The working hour is almost the same from 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The difference in work culture is in trends not to use the time given seriously, even though they can still complete assignment on time. In America, they are more serious about deadlines than Indonesian. They value time more. Indonesian panic way they fail. In America, they don't because they work harder and have A plan or B if plan A can be implemented.
Hello, my name is Akmal Mulki Madani. In here, I will telling you about similarities and differences in work culture between Indonesia and America. One of the work culture we're likely to encounter in the work culture of Americans. Many companies in Indonesia are taking on a more flexible and attached American work culture. In addition, many American companies have established companies in Indonesia. And what are the similarities and differences in work culture in Indonesia and America? The similar is in terms of working time. Indonesian and American workers are relatively the same. Business hours in Indonesia start at 8 a.m. and end at 6:30 p.m. At 7 p.m. usually the office has started to be quiet because the majority of the cemetery has gone home. Few people leave the office on time or keep working in the office until beyond 7 p.m. for work, joking, and socializing. Seems balanced and there are no obstacles. Meeting time is usually only brief, but employees will not be scolded if they arrive a little late. And the difference is Americans more seriously about the deadline, while Indonesians tend not to use the time given in earnest even though they can still complete the test on time. And one of the big differences in the working style of Indonesians as US people is that Indonesians tend to take position more seriously. For example, an employee with a junior manager position prefers not to eat than if they have to share a table with the vice chairman of the company they work for. This is inversely proportional to Americans who think that this is a good opportunity to get to know the vice chairman better. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.